Hey everyone! Is your Roblox avatar not loading on your Android? Are you seeing a blank character, gray avatar or loading error? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix this issue. Let's fix it. First, ensure internet is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and off. A weak connection can stop your avatar from loading properly. Solution 1. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes the problem isn't your phone. Maybe Roblox servers have gone down. Open any browser on your device. Search for www.downdetector.com. Then, tap on the search icon. Now search for Roblox. After that, see if there is any huge spikes in recent times. And check comments below. If many users are reporting issues, then wait until they fix it, and try again later. Solution 2. Clear Roblox cache. First, go to phone settings, then tap apps. Next, tap see all apps. Now find Roblox and tap it. Then tap storage. Finally, tap clear cache. Do not tap clear data unless the problem continues. Now reopen Roblox and check again. Solution 3. Update Roblox. If you're using an outdated version, avatars may not load correctly. Open Google Play Store. Search for Roblox. Tap update if available. After updating, restart the app. And that's how you fix the Roblox avatar not loading. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. Comment on what error you're seeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.